Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to a new episode, and I hope all you guys are doing fucking A-okay. Episode of my R33 will be installing this. It's a Hicas lock bar. For you that don't know, this is what makes drifting so much fucking better. Because I've got one of those shitty Hicas units that make the rear wheels turn, so when you turn the steering wheel, it like helps fucking turn the car. It's fucking annoying for drifting because it just makes it all shit. So this is gonna stop that from turning. And it's going to keep my wheels, the rear wheels at the back straight, so that way I can fucking hold those angles better for sliding. Hell yeah, man. And I bought it from GKTECH for a really good price. You guys should check out GKTECH. You know, you can get shit for your Silvias, Skylines, you name it, man. So yeah, we'll be doing the install, show you guys how to install it, and then we're going to go take it to a tire shop so we can get it aligned, because once you get that lock bar installed, you want to definitely get a wheel alignment, because or else your rear wheels will be a bit crooked and you don't want that fucking happening. Alright, let's go put this motherfucker in, because I cannot be fucked with it, so let's go fucking do it now.
Save my time, girl, give me it now. If you wanna take this line, let me know right now, baby, cause I'm breaking it down. Girl, give me it now. Let me know right now, let me know right now. Girl, give me it now.
Golf boy click.
Cuban girls cocaine.
So, I finally got this fucking tie rod end fucking out of the Hicas. It's been hours. Man, none of my friends had tools to fit. Look how fucking wide that is. That's 32 mils to get that fucking Hicas bullshit fucking tie rod out. So now I gotta do that side, and it's getting late now, so I wouldn't have fucking time to go to the tire shop, so I'm gonna continue this video tomorrow. Hey guys, it's the second day and I've already gone through so much fucking bullshit. I stripped the threads on this fucking thing. This connects to the Hicas lock bar. This is very important. Now, no fucking auto store in Melbourne has this part, so I've ordered it from GKTECH. Thank you GKTECH for supplying these. So yeah, I got express post. I'm hoping it comes tomorrow morning because I really need my car by tomorrow night. So hopefully it comes tomorrow morning and I can continue, but I'll show you guys what I've done and we'll have to continue this video tomorrow. This fucking thing weighs like 50 kilos, bullshit old Hicas, so that's fucking out. Fuck you. And then we've got this bullshit, the fucking inner tie rod. It is stripped, as I said. And follow me. So as you can see, I've had to take out my exhaust just to get the fucking shifter to sit in here. Just to fucking sit in that. That was a bitch to put in. Used some force, got it in, got to tighten it up. Once I bolt this up, I'll tighten this up. And this, I'm leaving it loose because that's the part I just mentioned that was stripped. So I'm waiting for the rod. Got to connect it from there to there. And then we're going to bolt it into there. And then fucking no more four-wheel steel bullshit. I gotta tuck these up, but I've just put it up there now just to get out of my fucking way as I do this bullshit. So yeah, I'm gonna respray my exhaust because it was pretty fucking disgusting, so I'm gonna go do that now. Hey guys, what's going on? It is now the 6th day of doing the stupid fucking Hicas lock bar. Long story short, I'm going to tell you guys what happened. So last weekend, the weekend that just went by, it was a Friday, my part from GKTECH came, that inner rod that I need to connect to my tie rod to the Hicas lock bar. Well, it turns out I ordered the wrong part. It was my bad for not reading it right. I thought they were the same shit, the fucking steering inner rods, because they both look identical. The difference is one doesn't have any play in it, one needs play for the rear Hicas, and this one didn't. So when I put it up together, it was kind of bending. End up driving like an hour and something from my home, and then it just popped out. The fucking rear wheel just started wobbling. So yeah, now I've got the new part from Kudos Motorsport. It cost me about 110 bucks for the right rear inner rod for the Hicas lock bar. So now we're gonna go see if my car's still left in the side street. Hopefully no one's fucking stolen it. I've just had to borrow this car to drive out all the way there to my car to put this bloody inner rod in to get my Hicas lock bar working, or the rear wheels to stay straight, I should say. So yeah, we're gonna go fucking do that, and then we're gonna go get my tires fucking aligned.
Yeah! That's right, boys. Come on down to the GKTECH. I remember as a boy.
Alright, this is my new inner rod. As you can see, I haven't jacked it. Ah, this is why I hate working next to the fucking main road. There's like bus driving by. I'm like, I don't want to get hit. But anyway, this is the new fucking proper inner rod. This, the head part has to have movement so that can sit in here, and this can move so it can reach the tie rod end, sorry, and you can flex it in.
Vampire, stay awake. She said I'm insane, yeah, I know you like that. Give it to me right now, I'ma give it right back. Golf boy, blood dripping in the club light. Switchblade, cut coke, give a bitch lines. Golf boy, clear, I don't give a fuck, bitch. Young punk bitch, fucking on a drunk bitch. I don't wanna save my time, girl, give me an hour. If you wanna take this line, let me know right now. Baby, cause I'm breaking it down. Girl, give me an hour. Let me know right now, let me know right now. Girl, give me an hour.
Alright, so I've got the Hicas bar in. This was a fucking pain in the ass to fucking do because I put it in, I lined it up, then I realized I didn't have this fucking rubber boot on it. So I had to take this whole fucking piece out again and sit here and fucking wiggle this shit in till it sat flush between the two holes. Fucking worst fucking job doing this shit, but fuck, I was just freaking out. Cars going by, flooring it and shit. Anyway, this plug here, that's for the ABS. There's a light that's popping up on my dash. I'm gonna have to replug that in because I thought when they said take off all the plugs at the Hicas, they didn't say anything about this plug. So yeah, don't ever take that out because that's what makes your ABS light pop up if you take this plug out. So I'm gonna fucking uncut the fucking cable ties, plug it in, re-cable tie them, fucking cable tie these fucking boots back on. Now we're going to a fucking tire shop, and if they can't book me, then I have to do it fucking tomorrow. So let's go find that shit out now. Alright, we're going to the car wash because my car is fucking filthy. Where it was parked, there's a bunch of fucking cockatoos. That's right, cockatoos. Look at this. I don't know if you guys can see it. There's more than fucking 10 shit stains on it. Back in my Skyline, the ABS light's gone because I've plugged in that grey plug. So yeah, don't ever take that grey plug out because you'll end up having the ABS light popping on. So yeah, I'm gonna go take my car to go get washed now, and tomorrow I have booked my car to get aligned. So this video will be continuing tomorrow. This is one of the fucking longest videos I've ever done. So I hope you guys fucking enjoy this video because it's been fucking hell. Hey guys, it has now been 1 week since fucking doing this Hicas lock bar, and I'm fucking glad to say that it's all fucking over. I went into the tire shop, got the wheel aligned, like it's all fucking straight, the steering wheel straight so it's not crooked anymore. With the Hicas light, you know how it pops up on the fucking dash. I haven't cut that wire yet, but I'm pretty sure you guys want to sit there and watch me try to find that fucking wire just to snip it. But anyway, I'm going to do that soon. And just to let you guys know, there's a new video of the R32 GTR and my 33 just smashing through the hills, but Josh has got the footage, so it's up to him to edit and upload. So you guys better fucking tell him, edit that shit, man, and upload it, because it's fit with that R32 GTR, man. Whew, that fucking thing just hammers, man, and I can't wait to do the turbo on this and just fucking not run as much power, but somewhat be close to it, so it'll be fucking sick. And as I can tell with the Hicas lock bar, man, like just around the corners, you can feel it just wanting to kick out so much easier. All I have to do is put my foot down and you can just feel the rear end just slid out. So I'm gonna try find a spot and test this out, but that'll be in the new video. So sorry that there's no drifting in this video, but there will be, trust me. Now that I've got the Hicas lock bar, there's gonna be some fucking sick drifts coming, I tell you that, and I fucking promise. And also don't forget that the 1,000 subscriber, not the person that hits 1,000, but somewhere in that fucking list, we're gonna pick one of you guys that are gonna win this fucking steering wheel. Yeah, once again, I'm sorry that there's no drifts in this video. I'm sorry if this video was very boring and that. It's just, it was very stressful just to fucking get that Hicas lock bar all properly done, and it's in there now, so now I can go do some fucking sick drifts. And thanks again to you guys for leaving good feedback and watching our channel. So see you guys in the next one. How?